Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what that's the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here we keep you updated. Nothing but the clear update. Hey. Now, a lot of things they happen where we say a lot of people never really understand. For Bianca Ojukwu to cry out saying that, oh, USA, you are about to deport Nigerians. What is going on? I say, sure. This thing, nah. Donald Trump don't talk and say he go deal with every African leader because he discovered that is the African leaders, they don't really want to develop their continent. They want to pack their load, their children, family abroad. Like their medication is A1. And the citizens they claim to lead, they know they get quarter of wetin dem dey receive. When Donald Trump said it, these people thought he was joking, but here we come. Bianca Ojukwu said, hear the news in details. U.S. deportation begins. It be like film for their eyes. They were thinking that because they spoke or they communicate or they have a meeting with the U.S. ambassador, that means nothing go happen give Nigeria citizens anymore. All of them stories that touch. Now, Bianca Ojukwu said U.S. deportations begins. In a meeting with U.S. ambassador to Nigeria, Richard Jr., I highlighted our government concern as well as the emotional and financial tolls deportations recently announced by the new Trump administration are having on Nigerians in the U.S. and their family back home. As at now, there are about 201 Nigerians currently detained in U.S. Migration Center and about 85 cleared for deportation. The figure is expected to rise sharply. We requested that the forced removal of our citizens from U.S. soil must be in compliance with international prescribed guidelines and established protocols in this regard, and a more human process should be followed. Nigerians in the U.S. send vital information to families in Nigeria, supporting their survival and funding their education. I underscored the fact that this deportation, particularly for individuals with no history of violent crime, should not be traumatic, and that their individuals should be given simpler time to handle their access rather than just be bundled into plane and repatriated. We also expressed concern about the potential suspension of the U.S. draw-bus visa system, which has followed Nigeria to renew visas without in-person interview, and we urge the U.S. to clarify its stance and ease the growing anxiety over visa procedures. The failure of Nigerian students in the U.S. was also high on our discussion agenda, as some 14,000 students are supported by families in Nigeria who fear that U.S. policy change may affect their children's education. We voiced worried over the ongoing review of U.S. aid program critical to humanitarian efforts in Nigeria and called for clarified, stressing that any reduction in aid would disproportionately affect vulnerable communities in Nigeria and across Africa. In response, Ambassador Mill assured that the draw-bus visa system has not been totally suspended, explaining that the U.S. was undergoing a policy review. Regarding the suspension of U.S. aid, he noted that many NGOs are feeling the pains, but the situation is also being reviewed. On the deportation issue, Mill stated that the repatriation would be done with dignity and respect for human rights. The first batch of deportee will arrive today. Hey, hey. You see what life is. Now, the federal government of Nigeria is telling US that you no go fit just deport our people just like that. You have to deport them with respect. This Nnamdi Kanu case is going somewhere. You see, the US government knows say the way they repatriate Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya is not right. So they just assume that, oh, of a truth, Nnamdi Kanu said Nigeria got no law. They have no respect for the rule of law. Is a Nigeria is a corrupt country. Una no know say that they watch those videos. They listen to every word to word from Nnamdi Kanu on that day. Don't be deceived. Some things that people are passing through right now might be as a result of the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. And now you can see about 14,000 students in Nigeria, they are paying their fees, accommodation, taking care of themselves because they are so scared that the Donald Trump government is going to pull all of them down. Their family back home send money for the upkeep, everything concerning the school. You know, not to say the thing that they difficult. Una no see an answer to get visa not be my. This is one of the reasons why the chief of staff Musa was rejected. Like they reject and say you go nowhere. And now Bianca Ojukwu is saying, oh, I have a talk with the US ambassador. He promised to do this, he promised to do that. But now everything is just doing 1314. They don't say what they are doing anymore. But when I carry Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria, una forget the rule of law they exist. Though she also speaks about the deportee. She said, oh, they have to give them any money, or they have to take good care of them, or they don't just have to bring them to Nigeria just like that. That is impossible, that they will not accept it. They have to take care of them. Oh, now no say they say if they want deport people, get money where they pay. When they get to airport, now how much they give the people where they deport? And Bianca Ojukwu also said that as at now, there are about 201 Nigerians currently detained in USA immigration center, and about 85 cleared for deportation. Like this 85 is guaranteeing they are coming home tonight. Imagine what their family, the stress, the trauma, everything that this deportation is going to put them. Don't talk about coming back empty-handed. That is why Bianca Ojukwu is saying, if you deport our people, give them money, money when they go to start business, money when they go to do this, money when they go to do that. People are just laughing, say, what type of country is this? Now they said it's 201 they want to deport, but 85 is ready. That means 85 is leaving tonight. And she said that the rate of deportation now in USA is very, very high. That after the parents pay money for school, for those who are going to school, that after the parents pay money for this, for that, they will still deport all of them. Because right now, with this Donald Trump administration, they don't care who be who. So my beautiful family, actually let me bring the update to you that the last court hearing of Nnamdi Kanu na really of a truth. Nnamdi Kanu na spiritual, because look at what is just happening. Few days after what happened in that court. Visa rejected for a whole shift of staff. Now they are deporting Nigerians. It is so painful. In fact, that one they really dey pain, because some of those people that are bringing back home, they are the ones standing for their family. In fact, some of them have stayed there for long. Oh my goodness, bad government, no good. Oh my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analysis. I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.